desktop. Then press create URL link. After that, write the name which you want for the shortcut. Then you can write any comment about it. You can also skip it. I'm going to skip it. Then paste the URL which you want it to go. After that, you can also select the image the shortcut should be. Image files, downloads, and select the image which you want. Then press create. Now right click on the shortcut. After that, execute. Mark executable. Then you can see the URL will open after some time. So now you can see it is working.